Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back to my channel Yarn with Tabarna. In this video tutorial I am going to show you how can we make this easy and fast baby cap. You can make this for all ages, all sizes. In this video I am going to show you how can we make this for 3 to 6 month baby. For this I am going to make 65 cast on. If you make this for newborn baby means you are going to start with 57 cast on. Okay. For this project, I am going to use 3.75 mm knitting needle. So now going to start. I am going to make slip knot. After making the slip knot, insert the needle into this. This is my first cast on. Now I am going to make 65 cast on. 2, 3. I am going to use long tail cast on method for this. Now I make 65 cast on. Now I am going to make 1 cross 1 rib stitch. You can see this is 1 cross 1 knit stitch, a rib stitch. So I am going to make this rib part. So I am going to make 1 knit stitch, 1 purl stitch. Continue the same. 1 knit stitch, 1 purl stitch, 1 knit stitch, 1 purl stitch. You are going to make like this way. You simply make 1 knit stitch, 1 purl stitch, 1 knit stitch, 1 purl stitch. Like this way you are going to continue. 1 knit, 1 purl, 1 knit, 1 purl. I continue the same. 1 knit, 1 purl. Now I am going to end with 1 knit stitch. If you are end with 1 knit stitch means then next row you are going to start with 1 purl stitch. If you are end with 1 purl stitch means next row you are going to start with 1 knit stitch. This is the pattern for rib stitch for single pointed needle. So now I end with knit stitch. So in my next row I am going to start with purl stitch. For this knitting pattern you definitely have all number of loops in your needle. So only for that reason I am going to cast on 65 loops. Okay. So now I am going to turn my project. This is my first loop. In my previous row I end with knit. So in this row I am going to start with purl. 1 purl, 1 knit, 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 1 purl. You are going to continue like this. I continue the same. 1 knit, 1 purl, 1 knit. This is my last loop. Into this I am going to make 1 purl stitch. This is end with purl stitch. So in my next row I am going to start with 1 knit. So 1 knit, 1 purl, 1 knit, 1 purl. Continue the same. This row definitely end with knit stitch. So next row you are going to start with purl. 1 purl, 1 knit, 1 purl, 1 knit. You are going to continue these 2 rows, repeat and repeat, total of 2 inches. So this is 2 inches. So I am going to make 2 inches for rib stitch. I am going to continue these 2 rows for 2 inches. After reaching 2 inches I will show you. You can see I make a rib stitch for 2 inches. Now we are going to enter the pattern for this baby cap. This is 4 row repeat pattern. Now we are going to enter the first row. In my first row I simply make 1 knit stitch in every loop. You can see this is the first loop for this row. I simply make 1 knit stitch into this. Move to the second, make 1 knit stitch. Move to the third, make 1 knit stitch. Continue the same. You simply make 1 knit stitch in every loop. You can see I simply make 1 knit stitch in every loop. I simply make one knit stitch in every loop. This is my last loop. Into this also I make one knit stitch. Row 1 is completed. I am going to turn my work. This is my row 2. In this row I simply make one purl stitch in every loop. This is my first loop. Into this I am going to make one purl stitch. Move to the second. Into this I am going to make one purl stitch. Into this I am going to make my one purl stitch. Like this way you simply make one purl stitch in every loop. I make purl stitch into the front leg of this loop. I simply make one purl stitch like this way. This is my last two loops for this row. Into this also I make one purl stitch. Now row 2 is completed. I am going to turn my work. This is my row 3. Into this row 3 I make knit 1 with yarn in back, slip 1. Knit 1 with yarn in back, slip 1. I am going to continue this pattern for my third row. You can see knit 1 with yarn in back, slip 1. Knit 1 with yarn in back of my needle. You can see, not this, yarn in back of my needle, slip 1. Knit 1 with yarn back, slip 1. Knit 1 with yarn back, slip 1. Knit 1, slip 1. Knit 1, slip 1. Knit 1 with yarn back, slip 1. Knit 1, slip 1. Knit 1, slip 1. Knit 1, slip 1. Going to continue like this pattern. Knit 1 with yarn back, slip 1. Knit 1 with yarn back, slip 1. Knit 1 with yarn back, slip 1. You are going to continue this pattern for your third row. I continue the same pattern. Knit 1, slip 1. This is my last loop. Into this you are going to make knit 1. Because we are work with odd number of cast on. So you are going to start with knit 1 and also end with knit 1. Okay. Now we are going to turn my work. This is my fourth row for this project. Okay. The pattern for fourth row is purl 1 with yarn in front, slip 1. Purl 1 with yarn in front, slip 1. This is the pattern. You can see this is my first loop for this row. Purl 1 with yarn in front, slip 1. Purl 1 with yarn in front, slip 1. Purl 1 with yarn in front, slip 1. Continue this. Purl 1 with yarn in front, slip 1. 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 Continue like this. Purl 1, slip 1. Purl 1, slip 1. Purl 1, slip 1. Purl 1, slip 1. Continue this pattern for this row. I continue the same pattern. Purl 1, slip 1 and also end with purl 1. Now row 4 is completed. Now I am going to repeat this 4 row until I reach the required length of the cap. This is very easy 4 rows. The first row is you simply make one knit stitch in every loop. In your second row you simply make one purl stitch in every loop. In your third row you are going to continue like knit 1 with yarn in back, slip 1. Knit 1 with yarn in back, slip 1. Continue like this for your third row. In your fourth row you are going to make purl 1 with yarn in front, slip 1. Purl 1 with yarn in front, slip 1. You are going to repeat this 4 row again and again until you reach the required length of the cap. Okay. I am going to show once again. This is my first row. So I simply make one knit stitch in every loop. Like this, you simply make one knit stitch. Row 1 is completed. In my row 2, I simply make one purl stitch in every loop. This is my row 2. So I am going to make one purl stitch in every loop. Like this way, you simply make one purl stitch. This is my last 2 loops. Into this I simply make one purl stitch. Row 2 is completed. Now I am going to enter my row 3. Knit 1 with yarn in back, slip 1. 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 Knit 1, slip 1. Knit 1, slip 1. Continue this pattern for row 3. Row 3 is completed. For row 4, purl 1 with yarn in front, slip 1. 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 This is my 4th row. You are going to continue this 4 rows until you reach the required length of the baby cap. After reaching the required length of the baby cap, I will show you. You can see I continue the same pattern, total of 6 inches. Now I am going to decrease. So this is my row 1 for my pattern. So I am going to make knit together. This is my first loop. You can see this is my second loop. I am going to make knit 2 together. Like this way I am going to decrease. This is my next 2 loops. Into this I am going to make knit 2 together. You can see this is my next 2 loops. Into this I am going to make knit 2 together. Continue the same. I simply make knit 2 together in every loop. I make 2 together. I have all number of stitches in my loop, so remaining I have 1 loop. Into this I am going to make 1 knit stitch. Row 1 is completed for my decrease. I am going to enter my row 2. I simply make one purl stitch in every loop. I simply make one purl stitch. This is my first loop. Into this I am going to make 1 purl. You can see this is my second one. Into this I am going to make 1 purl. I am going to continue like this. I simply make one purl stitch in every loop. I simply make one purl. Row 2 is completed. Turn my work. This is my row 3. I simply make 1 knit with yarn in back, slip 1. 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 Like this way. Row 3 is completed. I am going to enter my row 4. Purl 1 with yarn in front, slip 1. You are going to like this. Purl 1 with yarn in front, slip 1. Purl 1 with yarn in front, slip 1. Continue like this. Purl 1 with yarn in front, slip 1, purl 1 with yarn in front, slip 1. Row 4 is completed. Now I am going to repeat this 4 rows one more time. Now I make one time of decrease. I am going to repeat this 4 rows one more time. So totally I have 2 time of decrease pattern. Decrease pattern means I simply make 2 knit stitch, knit 2 together, knit 2 together in the first row. So remaining 3 rows are same for this pattern. In my first row I simply make knit 2 together, knit 2 together. You can see like this way. I am going to make knit 2 together, knit 2 together. This is my first row. In my second row I simply make purl stitch in all my loops. In my third row I make knit 1 with yarn in back, slip 1, knit 1 with yarn in back, slip 1. In my fourth row purl 1 with yarn in front, purl 1, purl 1 with yarn in front, purl 1. After finishing these 4 rows I will show you. I finished two times of decrease. Now I have 17 loops in my needle. I am going to leave some amount of yarn. After that I am going to cut. I am going to leave some amount of yarn and cut this. Now I am going to join normal sewing needle. After joining the needle, now I am going to replace this loops into my needle. From my knitting needle I am going to replace like this way. So after replacing, you can see. Now I am going to pull this like this way. I am going to fold into my wrong side. Now I am going to join these two sides. So you are going to use the normal sewing needle. If you like crochet means you are going to make slip stitch into these two sides. Now I am going to join these two sides. After joining these two sides I will show you. You can see I joining these two sides. After joining the two sides I will show you. You can see. This is the outlook for this baby cap. It's turned out so well. You can see. It looks beautiful. If you like pom-pom means you simply attach pom-pom into this. You can see. Thank you friends. Please try this project and share your valuable thoughts with me. Happy with knitting.